15th November, video timed at 10 minutes past 7 in the morning, so obviously it's pre-market open, and we've got the May wheat chart in front of us, and as you can see here, things are slightly changing here now. We've got a higher high in place, and we've got a lower low, higher low, sorry, and obviously we've got this double bottom which we saw earlier. Excuse me. Also I've put on here moving averages. I'm using a 5, 30 and a 60-day moving average, and you can see the green here is a 60-day, and you can see now this is quite, evidently tailed to go upwards. We're standing at 164, so it's actually showing that we've got a, this is a 3 months trend now in place of a rising moving average. And obviously we came down and tested this 166 here, and the 30-day, the market's just breaking up above the 30-day. So our target's still in place at 178. So though we're sort of stuck in this sideways motion that I was looking at my video last week, things are slightly changing, and we have got an upward slope to this market at the moment. This is on obviously the old crop. If we swap to the new crop, it isn't slightly so bullish, because obviously you've still got this double top in place here at 160, and we're still stuck in this £10 range here that we've seen since August. But same again here, if you look at the 60-day moving average on the green here, we came down and tested that first 2 weeks in November. It's held, and we've pushed up through it, gone to a high of 156, 57, we're stuck at 156. So that's got a sort of upward slope to it. We've certainly got a higher low in place, the same as we did on the old crop. And then just swapping forward to look at a big term picture. This is a weekly chart, and this is going back to 2007, so quite a long chart. I've put a moving average on here, the green line. That's a 240-day moving average, and you can see here that held July 2012, and you can see here how we came down to test it during the summer months, and that held, and you can see here that we've come up here to test, and we're now at 164, but it's quite clearly here we've got this upward sloping channel which has been placed in now for the last 7 years. So that's why I'm getting my sort of longer term plan following into an upwards rise back up here to the highs. But obviously we've got to break out of this sort of consolidation pattern that we're in at the present moment. Just swap across to Aussie rate. Oh, they're all flying all over the place this morning. Let's go in right. And unfortunately, I can't say much here. It's consolidation. It's triangle in place. This is the May contract, 2014. Moving averages are just snaking all over the place. Short-term changes sideways. Breakout is 385 or 365, and then we got some action going. We can sort of put some numbers. Are we going up or down? But at the moment we're sideways. And as always, just at the end, we'll have a look at the futures price in America. Well, we got at the moment, and wheat. I was a bit concerned about the wheat price last week, which was having a real fall for last month, but that seems to find a base around the 647 mark. You can quite clearly see there. Where have we got oats? We don't want the oats. Soya. Let's get me out of the way. Soybean is stuck in a sideways motion, so probably that's sort of leading into with the oilseed rape as well. What have we got on? Here we've got corn going sideways, oats, and obviously let's get this wheat chart up at the bottom here. You can see here that this the concern I was about last week on the wheat. We had that big fall from $7 down to $6.50, but that seems to be finding support there. So which is good news. So just coming back, just follow those back. So really, what we're looking for, if we keep the current month in front of us on this wheat, which is the May contract, we've got an upward sloping channel, and the moving averages are holding at the moment. So let's see if we have a breakthrough as 170 this week and go and test 174. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.